The water was leaking from the bathrooms of the ground.
Yeah, definitely. I guess
This is really poor
Australia in Australia, and they have also win the series against South Africa, so they were really in a good shape. For me, I guess Pakistan should focus on team building just from now. Definitely, I have also asked the same question from Wasim Bhai. That please of those five players who should not be in the team, and that five players who should be young talent in our team.
Nana Sahab, as we all know, Ramzan Mubarak,
Yes.
all the Muslim fraternity, Ramzan is so there are lots of discussion happening in sport, and Rana Sahab is today. How are you, Rana Sahab?
I'm good, Akib. What about you?
I'm doing well, Rana Sahab. And how do you see this England-South Africa match, Rana Sahab, happening? And it is a one-sided victory, it seems
Definitely.
like. South Africa, Afghanistani brothers, Nan boys are out of the tournament. How
Yes, South Africa is really in a good position, and they are really a good team. I think they will be in a final match against New Zealand, and I'm hoping that New Zealand can win this match. On the other hand, England is really in a bad shape, just like Pakistan team. And Josh Butler has announced that he is going to retire as a captain from international cricket. So we are hoping a new talent to be the captain for England team.
Rana Sahab, the way Afghanistan played in this tournament, do you think they're very unlucky? And I think yesterday the match when it happened, I think Australia was going to win that match.
Definitely.
They were playing really aggressively.
They were playing in, and they were in really in a strong position to win the match, but by chance there was rain and the match was abandoned. So we are hoping that Australia and India should be in the semi-final, and we are supporting our Australia team to win the match against India.
Rana Sahab, I have one question which everyone was asking yesterday. You know that slight rain happened in Lahore, and because of that the match could not even happen again. Do you think that Gaddafi Stadium's drainage system is really poor? And we even saw a video where the water was leaking from the bathrooms of the ground.
Yeah, definitely.
So
I guess
this is really poor infrastructure made by the PCB.
I guess they are going to work on it, and they are going to improve the.
As you know, there is no roof
Infrastructure.
also in the stadium.
But you know, for this Champions Trophy, there's three matches which haven't been, you can say, like played, and there was
Because of rain.
because of rain. So I guess in these type of events, we are hoping the match should be ended. That there should be at least a one winner by the end of the day. But there was three matches that was abandoned due to rain.
Rana Sahab, English High Commissioner, British High Commissioner has also said that Pakistani team could regain the form back if they get one solid good victory.
Yes,
and
yes,
if that
yes.
happens, their team can rise up. How do you see that?
Definitely, there was Pakistan has won the series in Australia, and they have also win the series against South Africa. So they were really in a good shape, and we were hoping that Pakistan will be in the final for this Champions Trophy. But there was some bad luck, you know, as Saim got injured and Fakhr was also got injured in the first match. So I guess Pakistan was really in a bad luck. They was not in a bad shape. Plus their team selection was not good. We are hoping there should be one or two more specialized spinner in the team, and we are hoping to you can say like a new fast bowlers in the team as well. And plus I guess Pakistan main concern should be the opening batting as well. As you know, Babar was the opener, and he was, for me, I guess he played an average you can role. But as a Babar, you know, he's a world class player, and we were expecting a lot from him, and he hadn't performed well in that Champions Trophy. So we are hoping that Babar should gain some form, and we are hoping and that Babar should play one down in his next series.
Rana Sahab, how do you see that? We are hearing that for the New Zealand series, Pakistan will go towards young talent, and
Definitely.
the players will be removed from the positions. How do
You have
see
seen that there's a lot of legend players, like Wasim Akram has said that we want some 5 to 6 new talent in the Pakistan team. So for me, I guess this series is really a great chance. Pakistan should go for 5 to 6 new talent. They should go for 3 or 4 specialized bowler. One should be the spinner like Sufyan, and we should go with 2 or 3 main better as well, because from this series we are going to choose who will be the squad for our next event, that will be a World Cup. So for me, I guess Pakistan should focus on team building just from
have
from
the
now,
T20 World Cup.
and definitely by the you can say by the next year we will be able to form a good team.
Also, even a freebie question was seen by that.
Yes.
Who are those 5-6 players, and then who would be the replacement of those 5-6 players?
Definitely, I have also asked the same question from Wasim Bhai, that please tell us the name of those 5 players who should not be in the team, and that 5-6 players who should be in the team, because we are really concerned right now, because Pakistan team is not in a, you can say, like not in a good shape, and we want Pakistan to be back at number 1. So please, Wasim Akram, please tell us who are those 5 players. Please tell their name so that we can focus on our new talent as well.
And Anasa, lastly, before we conclude, there's also news giving that Karachi has been allocated a few matches just because of the heat issues in Pakistan, especially in Karachi. How do you see this? That Lahore has been really good with regards to match attendance. We saw it in
Definitely.
the Australia matches.
You
Do
have
you think the
seen-
crowd in Karachi should get more matches, or is it justified with what?
I guess Lahore crowd is excellent. You have seen in the match against England and Australia, we were also there. Ake was also there. So for me, I guess Lahore crowd is great, and I just want Karachi, please come to the stadium. We want you in the stadium as well. Please watch the match, international matches, so that you can also enjoy those matches as well.
And Anasa, even Ibrahim Zadran is saying that I have improved my batting by watching Babar Azam.
Definitely, yaar.
And he said this thing before as well. Couple of
I
times.
guess 100 out of 100 legends and current players have said that Babar is a world class player. There is no doubt in it, but he is not in a form right now. Plus, our team is also not performing. That's built a more pressure on him. So for me, I guess Babar should perform, and team also should perform as well. You have seen that there was Tayyab Tahir in the team, and he was given 100% chance to prove his selection, but he totally failed. He failed against India, he failed against New Zealand as well. So I guess these type of talent, we don't want these type of talent in our team. We want new talent like Irfan Niazi, who is 100%, you can say, like 100% better than Tayyab Tahir in batting and also in fielding as well. So please include Irfan Niazi in T20 and ODI. We want these type of talent in our team.
And Anasa,
Young talent in our
And
team.
Anasa, as you all know, Ramazan Mubarak,
Yes.
all of the Muslim fraternity, Ramzan is
So from us, we are wishing all our fans Ramzan Kareem.
And Anasa, one message for the Pakistani fraternity in this last month of the Ramadan,
please-
to the team, to the whole management of Pakistan.
Please don't lose
all
hope.
stakeholders.
Definitely, we want our Pakistan team to be back at number 1.
We are hearing the players are depressed also.
No, for me, I guess as a nation, we should give them the totally sport, and we should give them some time to get back on their feet. And definitely, Pakistan will be the number 1 team, inshallah, within 1 or 2 years.
Anasa, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah, tomorrow again we'll try to have you with another video. So I guess that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports here for more content. And this till then, it's goodbye from me and Vanas Subside. Take good care of yourself, and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, take care.